portion of SportsCar Revolution is brought to you by Hankook Tires. Around the track and on the street, Hankook is pure driving emotion.
Last week, the guys at BSI ripped the interior out of the MX5. For a small interior, we got over 300 pounds out of the car. Now Rick Bye's been along. He hasn't been doing much since we got here, but he's here. He's been building race cars for over 30 years, which is longer than I've been alive. He's here to give us some professional input.
Well, as everybody knows, babysitting is a large part of this job, and I've been doing that with Chip up till now a little bit. He just hasn't been paying attention, and you have to keep after it for the whole project. But the guys at BSI have given us a platform to start building a race car with, and it's time now to install the roll cage to help to increase the torsional rigidity of this car. As we could see driving it last week, that it felt to be a little bit flexy, and the large reason for the cage is to fix that and to make the car a little bit faster and easier to drive. And hopefully we can give Chip a platform to go out and to bring home some trophies.
And one of the best things about being a driver is I don't have to get my hands dirty.
The roll cage is supplied by Mazda Motorsport.
Well, we went with the recommended cage for all the competitors for a couple of reasons. One, it's consistent. Obviously, the chassis rigidity and torsion, it's important. Obviously, in this series, open cockpit, safety is a big issue. And so I think when you got a consistent recommended cage for everybody to use, it just keeps that spec level consistent throughout the whole series.
We're about to install the cage, but we're actually looking to make the chassis much more rigid. Structural rigidity of the cage. The installation of that cage is crucial at this point. Our guys right now are going to install this cage with that in mind.
You learn early on in racing that you can make the car stiffer and faster with a cage if it's designed right. If the rules allow it, the best thing to do is get the cage all the way out to the suspension points because it stiffens the car up a bunch. The MX-5 is a roadster, and the cage actually almost makes like a roof around this car, and that's a stiffer design. That's going to help you get down a racetrack faster. It's going to keep the corners stiffer. It's a way better way to go. That's what a cage can do for you.
Well, once the cars had the interior removed, through Mazda Speed Motorsport's development, competitors can buy interior panels that have been pre-made. Real classy, clean look. Obviously, the open cockpit allows us to show the features of the interior.
The installation of this roll cage, we're looking also to try and transfer weight. When we set the suspension on this car, we want to make sure that we can actually move weight from corner to corner. And the rigidity of this cage and actually the way we install it will be crucial to actually our setup of this race car. Ultimately, the roll cage is installed for driver safety.
Well, the safer these cars get, the more bars and the closer the bars are together. And for big guys like us, it's tough to get in and out of some of these cages.
We want to make sure that if this car ever winds up on the roof, this kid ever winds up on the roof, that he's safe. That is our ultimate goal in installing the roll cage.
Guys, is there anything I can help you with? Anything at all? I mean, come on, guys. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yeah, I'll take water.
I'll take Coke.
Okay, well, it looks like the guys are going to be here by themselves working on the cage to make sure it's perfect. But next week, we're going to install the seat and all my safety equipment.
When we come back, we'll spend some time working on our G35 project.